Today we're going to model a chair. So we're going to start by creating a cube and then resizing that cube, scaling it. Once you're satisfied with the size of the cube, I'll just move it up a little bit. You want to come down here, make sure the channel box is displayed, and then scroll down where it says Poly1 Cube, click on it and scroll down to subdivisions. We're going to change the width to 3, and we're doing this so we can create boxes in the corners, so we can extrude the legs of the chair and also the back of the chair, the support, and also subdivision depth to 3 as well. And there it is. Now I'm going to switch to top view. So I'll press spacebar to go into 4 views and spacebar to go into top view. Make sure your mouse pointer is on top view and press spacebar. I'm going to right click and hold and select vertex. I'm going to draw a box or a rectangle around the vertices of this line here so we can move it to a different location, so we can create a square for the legs of the chair and also the back support. So I'll do the same thing for the bottom. Make sure it's about the same size. Then I'll do the same for this vertical line here. Just drag it over. And there it is. Now I have 4 corners, and I can use those corners to create the legs of the chair first. So I'll press spacebar, spacebar. I'll switch back to object mode for a second and move the cube up a little bit, rotate so I can see the bottom, and then select the 4 corners. So I'm going to right click and hold and select face and select the 4 corners. Make sure you hold shift as you click each of the corners. Once all 4 corners are selected, I'm going to rotate a little bit so I can see as the legs are coming down. And then I'll go to edit mesh, extrude, and drag down, pull down. Now here I need to create another section so I can create a bar around the legs of the table, so where people can, maybe put their feet or so. So I'm going to extrude a little bit more, and then you can either press G to use your last tool, which is the extrude, or you can just go back again to edit mesh and extrude. So I'm just going to press G and then drag a little bit. That should be fine, and then I'll press G one more time to extrude one more time. And there you go. See, and that gives me, let me switch back to object mode, right click and hold, and then object mode. And then I'll move it up on the grid. I may zoom in, and there it is. You can see the divisions I created here by extruding several times. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this side to this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and hold and select face, select the inner face on the left, and then rotate a little bit so I can select the inner face on the right. And then you can see that both faces are selected. I'm going to go into edit mesh, and I'm going to click bridge, but I'm going to click the little square at the bridge. Those are the options for the bridge. And just make sure divisions is set to 0. We don't need any divisions in there. We just need them to bridge, connect together. So I'll hit play. So I'll click apply, and there you go. You can see that it's now bridge. I'll do the same thing all the way around. So click on one side, and then hold shift and click on the other side, and then just hit apply. Just leave the bridge options open. You don't need to close it. Do the same thing on the other side. Click, hold shift, apply, select one side, hold shift, and click the other side, and apply. And there it is. I'm going to hit close. I'm going to right click object mode one more time, and let me rotate my scene. Okay, so I'll use these two here for my back support. So I'm going to right click and hold and select face. Let me zoom in, select that face, hold shift and select this face, and I'm going to extrude. Now for the back support I need two subdivisions, so I'm going to extrude several times. So let me go to edit mesh, extrude, and then I'll just pull up one, and then right here I'll need a back support, so I'll need a subdivision there. So I'll press G to extrude one more time. There it is. Then I'll press G to keep going up. And then right here I need another back support, so I'll press G one more time. And then G one more time, just so we can leave just a piece on the top. Okay, now that I have that, I'll start creating the subdivision. So I'll select this face, hold shift and select this face, and then go to edit mesh bridge option, and I'll just hit apply, and then do the same thing for the top. Hold shift to select the other one and apply, and there it is. There is my chair. I'll right click on it, go to object mode, and I'm just going to color it. So I'll go to Windows, rendering editors in Hypershade. At this point I'm not looking for so much detail. I just want to make sure you know how to extrude and how to bridge. So I'll create a blend, and I'll select like a brown color. I'll double click on color, so like a brownish color. Done. Click on the chair, right click and hold on the blend, and then click assign material to selection. And there it is. That's our completed chair. Right, from here, don't forget to save it in your folder.